many black people at the time. So I did get myself exposed like that to other.
New day, new drama in South Africa. The South African royal family is in a great tension since King Misuzulu suddenly divorced his first wife and married a new wife. King Misuzulu has reportedly sued his former first wife for defamation after she reveals her medical status. If you don't want to miss out on any drama, make sure you watch this video till the end. In a dramatic turn of events that has captured national attention, King Misuzulu, king of the Zulu kingdom, has taken legal action against his former first wife, Queen Zola. The lawsuit, filed in a South African court, focuses on defamation claims after the Queen revealed sensitive medical information about the monarch's health during a public interview. The ramifications of the case raise questions about privacy, power dynamics, and the complex intersection of personal matters and royal duties. The dispute began when Queen Zola, in an interview with a popular media outlet, revealed that her ex-husband, King Misuzulu, was undergoing treatment for a serious medical condition. Although she did not reveal specific details, her comments were enough to spark public speculation and concern about the king's health. The Queen's statement sent shock waves through the media, with many questioning the implications of this revelation for both the royal family and the wider political stability of the kingdom. Despite the fact that the king's medical situation was a personal matter, Queen Zola's decision to share this information in a public forum drew immediate attention. She explained that the revelation was not made out of malice, but rather out of her belief in transparency and the need to inform the public. However, her words soon took on a life of their own, with many media outlets running stories linking the king's health to rumors about the stability of the Zulu monarchy. King Misuzulu, who ascends to the throne in 2022 following the death of his father, King Zwelithini, was not pleased with the Queen's comments. The king's legal team filed a libel suit, claiming that Queen Zola's statements not only damaged his reputation but also caused tension and confusion within the royal household. The king argues that by publicly revealing his medical condition without his consent, the Queen has violated her personal privacy and tarnished the image of the royal family. The suit claims the Queen's actions were harmful and reckless, asserting that they created a misleading narrative about the king's health. Court documents further show that such public disclosures could undermine public confidence in the monarchy, especially as the Zulu kingdom deals with internal and external challenges to its legitimacy. King is seeking damages for defamation, as well as an injunction to prevent further public discussion of his medical history. Legal experts suggest the case could set a precedent for how public figures, especially those within royal families, handle personal information in the age of social media and widespread media coverage. The case has sparked debate about the balance between privacy and public interest, particularly when it comes to public figures such as royalty. While King Misuzulu's health may be considered a private matter, the Queen's defenders argue that, as the king's consort, she has the right to speak about matters affecting the royal family, especially if she believes the public has a right to know about them. Some are even suggesting that her revelation may be an attempt to address growing rumors about the king's health and the future of the Zulu monarchy. On the other hand, critics of the Queen's decision claim that her actions were irresponsible and self-serving. They argue that her comments, although from another sense of transparency, were ultimately damaging to the image of the Zulu royal family and could jeopardize the king's position. These critics assert that royal matters are often kept within the confines of the family, with decisions about health, succession, and other personal matters discussed in private. Beyond the immediate personal ramifications, the lawsuit has broader political and social implications for the Zulu kingdom. The Zulu monarch is a very influential figure in South Africa, with the ability to unite and mobilize millions of followers. Any controversy involving the king would likely attract national attention, potentially affecting the social cohesion of the Zulu nation. In addition, the case has brought to light the complex dynamics within the royal family, which has faced internal divisions since the death of King Zwelithini. King Misuzulu's rise to power has been contested by some factions, and his rule continues to be scrutinized by both supporters and detractors alike. The lawsuit against his ex-wife adds another layer of complexity to an already sensitive situation. King Misuzulu's decision to sue his former first wife, Queen Zola, for libel following public revelations of his medical condition is a remarkable example of the tension between privacy and public duty. As the legal process develops, It will be interesting to see how the court addresses the balance of personal rights versus the obligations of public figures in the modern era. This case not only underscores the fragile nature of royal family dynamics, but also highlights the growing influence of the media in shaping public perception and the future of traditional institutions. Ultimately, the outcome of this lawsuit could have lasting consequences for the Zulu kingdom and its royal family, as well as for the broader conversation about the intersection of fame, privacy, and accountability in the public sphere.